In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export videos in high quality in CapCut PC. If your exported CapCut videos have been coming out blurry, pixelated, or more compressed than you expected, don't worry. The good news is that this is usually caused by export settings, and it's very easy to fix. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to get a much cleaner, sharper result when exporting your video from CapCut on PC. To begin, open your project and head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the bright blue Export button. Go ahead and click that to open your main export settings. If you want a faster way to get there, you can also press Ctrl and E on your keyboard. This shortcut takes you directly to the same export window and can save you time, especially if you export often. Once the export settings window is open, the next step is to improve the visual quality of your video. Under the Video Exporting section, look for the Resolution setting. Set this to 1080p or 4K depending on the quality of your original footage. If your source video was recorded in 1080p, exporting in 1080p is usually the best choice. If your footage was created or recorded in 4K, then choose 4K to preserve that extra detail. After that, find the bitrate drop-down. This setting has a major impact on how much detail is preserved in the final file. Change it from recommended to higher for a quick quality boost. If you want more control, choose Custom and enter a bitrate between 15,000 and 30,000 kbps. In general, a higher bitrate means better visual quality, especially in scenes with motion, detail, or complex textures. Next, make sure the codec is set to H.264. This is a reliable option that gives you strong quality while also keeping your video widely compatible across platforms, devices, and editing workflows. Now it's time to finalize the render. Keep the format set to MP4, since that's the most practical and commonly supported format for most users. Then set your frame rate to match your project. For example, use 60 frames per second for smoother motion or 30 frames per second for standard video. Matching the frame rate helps your final export stay consistent with the way your project was edited. Before exporting, quickly double-check your destination folder so your video saves where you want it. Then click the blue Export button at the bottom. CapCut will begin rendering your video, and with these settings you should get a crisp, clear, high-quality result. You're all set. Done.